Ooh, what could this be? I'll give you a hint. It has to do with the last video. So if you watch the last unboxing video of the Badger mount, then you might know what this is. Let's take a look and see. This particular item is from AA Optics. Thank you for the decal. It's pretty cool. Some packaging. I'm assuming, yes, invoice. And the pièce de résistance. Oh. The Vortex Razor HD Gen 3. This is a 1:10 by 24 first focal plane MRAD rifle scope. Pretty cool. That's what it looks like. Nice. Got a lot of stickers now. Inspection card. Thank you very much. Is that Tim or TM? Whoever you are, thank you very much for making sure I got a quality product. Thank you. And we got some accessories over here. Let's see here. Some batteries. Scope lever, oh, throw lever for the magnification included. That's nice. Thank you very much for doing that, Vortex. Little wrench. Nice. That's pretty cool. Thank you. Lens cloth. Thank you very much. This is a sunshade for the end of the optic. And this thing is a nice color. Wow. And here she is. I'll give you guys the full review later. This is just an unboxing. Product manual. And the reticle manual, because I did get this in the MRAD reticle. So I'm gonna mount this up and another video on that later, but thanks for watching. This is the Vortex Gen 3 HD 1:10. Captain out.